This is an old tank for a sugar mill factory, or sugarcane factory, or sugar factory, whatever you want to call it. This is the engine that turns the wheels. That's the giant wheel that in turn turns these cane juice extractors. You put sugarcane between these two big rolls, and then juice comes out in this collector bin on the bottom. It's hollow, it's like a cup inside. And then they transfer all the sugarcane juice into the bowls here. And they heat it. They heat it with putting coal inside this apparatus, and heat transfers to all these four bowls. That's the sugarcane extractor again, with the giant wheel in the back. So from the heat that gets generated here gets transferred to these bowls, which are filled with sugarcane juice, which in turn evaporates and turns into sugarcane or sugar chunks, and then they get processed or broken down into sugar that you would put into your coffee every morning. There is another process or two that goes along with it, but this is basically the breakdown of how back in the day they used to do sugarcane or sugar.